Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm proud to present this 2003 Volkswagen Touareg, and this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Touareg. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features in the exterior as well as the interior. So, here's the key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Wide opening doors, seats with good profile, quite comfortable, all season floor mats. I'll shut the door. Power's right up. Very fluid steering, manual tilt and telescopic steering wheel, which is really convenient. Well, it's on the headlights, high beams, hazard lights, all four windows in this car are fully automatic in both directions. Well, let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. It's very easy to step in. Back windows are fully tinted. Should decorated spoiler with integrated third brake light. "17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels on a Goodyear tires, 4-wheel disc brakes, VW logo. Actually, this car doesn't have the air suspension. Huge exterior mirrors, LED turn signal indicators, and the front parking sensors is missing. I don't know why. Chrome grille, xenon headlamps, oil supplement hood, this 2003 Volkswagen Touareg comes with the 3.2-liter V6. It produced 220 horsepower. It's a very powerful engine, very torquey. It's a combination. Huge tail lights, V6 emblem, dual exhaust. Door lights, storage, fuel cap release, and trunk release, power windows, power window lock, central lock, rich aluminum trim, fully manual driver's seat, recline, seat height and sliding, handbrake. To activate it, just push it, and to deactivate it, just pull this lever. Brightness of the instrument cluster. And this particular has 125,000 kilometers in it. Well, let's see what kind of noise she produces. It's got a rough limiter around 4,000 RPM on parking. Very nice sound. It's a digital clock, the trip computer, average fuel economy, outside temperature. There's an odometer. Very sophisticated instrument cluster and very sophisticated dashboard. Your LiDAR and indicator controls and wiper controls. Full storage, vents, audio with CD, 6% station, volume control, audio settings. AM/FM, CD, control, temperature, front rear defrost, recycle in different modes, and fan speed. Ashtray and lighter, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, central lighter, power mirrors, they also heated. It's automatic transmission with sport mode and manual shift. ESP, that electronic stability program, and four-wheel drive settings. Just twist this knob, you can scroll it, high, low, and four-wheel drive. Very easy to use. Adjustable armrest, also stitched with cup holders, 2-tier. I believe there's 6 or 8 airbags in this car. Manual adjustable rear view mirror, illumination, sunglass container, padded, sun visors, and this seat's extremely comfortable and pretty roomy as well. Good visibility, the quality is just excellent. It's just like you expect from the German SUV, I guess you can say. Everything is pretty nicely laid out. This audio sounds awesome. Well, let's check the rest of the vehicle. Door lights, cigarette lighter, ashtray, power windows, central lock. Back seats also default to increase more cargo space. Almost completely flat if you remove this headrest. There is to step in, quite comfortable seats and pretty room as well. I'm 6'3", and the headroom is in pretty adequate. Storage pockets, solid doors, vents, rear vents, illumination, tow hook, airbag, rear vents, a little storage, and power outlet. Convenient armrest, it's also padded. Adjustable headrest. Pretty comfortable and convenient seats. Power outlets, 12 volt, first aid kit, emergency triangle, illumination, spare tire, toolkit and jack. Also the cargo cover is missing, I believe. Tow hook for the grocery. It's also illumination. Also, you can turn off front passenger airbag, central lock, manual passenger seat, recline, sit high, and sliding. Seats with good profile, quite supportive. If I'm gonna buy the Volkswagen Touareg this year, 2003 or maybe 2005, I buy myself V12 with 450 horsepower. This car is really rocks, incredible tow capability and a lot of power. This 3.2 liter V6, 220 horsepower. I think it's more than enough for this car. It's pretty fast, but I prefer V12 with 450 horsepower. Huge exterior mirrors. And like I mentioned before, the build quality is second to none. Everything is pretty nicely laid out. Only thing that disappoints me is that car doesn't have air suspension and the leather seats. I like the leather seats. Wonderful car, I like it. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2003 VW Touareg. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Be sure you catch me next time. There's plenty more I came from, and take care guys.